Goonie. Saturday night, up the Gorbals, tap dancer and glisk as a dark glimmer outside the windows. Me getting ready for my turn, spurred on by my aunt. Stage curtains of blue mist made for the fumes of her umpteenth snout. She gave me this Goonie to wear, polyester, hot pressed with the work trousers. It's saft bobbled wee fabric floors opaque with washes, a smear and a cold bloom. The power of a manky Goonie, cracking her skin, a gutty sark in a rain cloud, stamping out the beat to an old ABBA gold number. My audience are bashing out claps, cotton and polyester scratching at my anklets, a floral Goonie spiralling round, a birling softness through smogs of silk cup. My aunt raising her vodka iron brew, a tumbler of noxious flame, a toast to me in my frilly wig. Oh, just let him wear what he wants to wear. My uncle humming along with Anthea and Anna Fried. They've got season tickets for the weekly cabaret. The music fades as feet cease. Right, that's your wax on, come here and Korean, afore the telly gets turned back on. Just in time. Who wants to be a millionaire?